guys, and welcome back to another recipe, Chaffles for Life. Today we're making avocado chaffles, and this is episode 5. So I was just experiment with this and took out the seed of the avocado, unripe avocado, and I'm using my small little blender that I had. And you can see this is ripe, and I didn't want to throw out the avocado. And you got to eat them within a few days after you purchase them, but they go pretty much bad. And then over here I added 1 egg to bind, and then I added a handful of cheddar cheese. I didn't know how this was going to work or taste or whatever, but it wasn't that bad. And then I put a little bit of salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder in the my little Ninja blender. And this is all the taste, and it just was just an experiment. And anyhow, 3.5 minutes later, I had 2 chaffles after the first one was, and then I just wanted to get an idea how they would taste in case I wanted to make it again in the future, which I will. I just, again, a while back ago, I was doing this and as an experiment. And anyways, these are all great recipes to try, and it's okay to experiment. Hey, what's the worst that can do? You can throw out a your chaffle if you don't like it, and you can just you wasted a little bit of money on an egg and an avocado. But I know a lot of people like avocados. It's a great source of protein, and it's got a lot of healthy nutrients, and should be eating them more often. And definitely plan to as I get back to transition over to keto and carnivore. But then once the mini dash was heated up, I just put it on top and popped the chaffle off a bit, and they put it on a paper plate or a rack, I believe, and that'll be coming up in the video. And then I was pushing down on it because I wanted to make sure it was fully cooked all the way through when I took the chaffle out. So let's continue on. Well, there you have our final product. There you can see me getting ready to pop it off the mini dash, and what I was doing was just squeezing it down to make sure it was fully cooked and all the way through. And they came up really good. I plan on making these again. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, guys.